What's the point? This is a small video series that I'm going to run. During the current situation of COVID-19, we are all going through our own problems, and being doctors working in the field of homeopathy has its own challenges. One of the days, one patient calls and says, "Doctor, I have a daughter. She's just 5 years old and she's suffering from a rare form of cancer of the brain. Can you save her?" This is just such a tough question to answer because we know the outcomes are not always positive in cases of cancer. We all feel that we should be in a position to cure the patient, but unfortunately that is not the scenario. In this case, it was a very nice, beautiful girl, and I told the father I can do whatever best we can do, and his only request was that his daughter should not suffer during her last days. And it's really tough to when patients come to us with such requests, but I said I'll do my best to see what we can do. And here is a young girl, just 5 years. She doesn't know if she's going to survive, and her oncologist has said it's a matter of just few months before the tumor grows and she will pass away. So I took the case and we prescribed the medicines. It was during the peak of COVID, when there was a national lockdown, and we all were afraid what to do, what not to do, and how we'll get the medicines. But we helped the patient to get the medicines, and we started the medicines. The patient gave the medicines and the child was improving steadily. And after a certain period, I didn't hear from the patient for a long time, means say around 4-5 months time. And one day the patient sent me a long testimonial saying thanks for all the support we had extended. He said my daughter passed away very peacefully. Until the last hour of her death, she was happily playing, and as she started to have difficulty in breathing, within 1 hour's time she passed away. The patient survived for around 30 days, and the quality of life was good. So I was very happy and sad at the same moment for loss of such a young child to our parents, but I was at the same time happy because the parents were not that pained. Means the grief is too much, but seeing your daughter suffer is the biggest pain, I think. So the whole point of what's the point is that when life looks not good, or we all have our own issues, and we think, is it worth living and what's the point of living? Then always think we are all here for a point. Maybe we have our own ups and downs, but never lose the hope and keep fighting. We also have many times when we feel, what's the point when we cannot save the patient? But at the same time, we are also happy that we have made one request come true, and we have helped the child not to suffer too much. So say yes to life and be positive. That's the whole point. Thank you.